Houseplants can start to look a bit tired after a winter inside with the central heating on. So spring is a great time to give them a freshen up. Just go over them, removing any tired or tatty looking foliage. And spring's also a really good time to repot your plants. If they haven't been repotted for a year or two, then spring's the time to do it if you can. Now, the longer days and lighter temperatures spark the start of the growing season for plants. So you'll need to gradually increase the amount of water you give them. And you will also need to start feeding them. Now, when it comes to the watering, unfortunately there's no hard and fast rules as to how much a particular plant is going to need, because some, like the rainforest types, they need more water and more humidity than, say, a cactus would. So the way I water my plants is I take them into the kitchen and I give them a really good soak, and then I let them sit on the draining board until all the excess water is fully drained away before popping them back into their pot covers. The other thing you should do, well, I do it every so often, is to take them up and give them a shower. And now the ones that originate from the rainforest in particular love this. It sort of emulates their natural environment. So I just let them sit in the bottom of the bath and let the shower run on them, cool, of course, cool water. And then just let them drain away. And that also just helps really freshen up the foliage. When it comes to feeding, you need to get some good houseplant fertilizer, most are liquids, and start mixing this in. But don't overdo it. Do follow the manufacturer's instructions. And last but not least, because it's getting brighter, because there's more sun, these plants that have been overwintering on a windowsill can now be moved to a place where they get bright but indirect light.